Hello, this is Katrina Rank, and I have managed to create my little topic area, topic 8, which is the teacher practice area, in which I believe I'm meant to be playing around with activities or resources. So for now I thought we might look at resources first. Resources are things that give you information, things that you take to make into something else. You use resources to create activities such as the book. So this looks really good actually, a book here, a multi-page resource for instance. So we might have a little look at this. I'm going to add a book. So I've already opened it and had a little bit of a look at it. I can add a book and I can go through some of my files and say, okay, so this book is about safe dance practice and a description. We would say follows best practice principles in supported through dance, medicine and science. Yes, we could do that. And I'm really just playing as we go along because, yes, I want it in chapters, styles, common module settings, restricted access. Yes, we would only want people in it, but for now we'll leave that. No activity completion, we'd be happy to. Oh, okay. Students can manually mark the activities completed. Sounds quite good. Yes, we would want students to view the activity to complete it. For some reason that's not letting me do that. Probably because of that. Yes, there we go. And then I'd of course need to change the date on that. So I've kind of created the book. And we can save it and return to our course. Still need to make the book, but I'm assuming that that's something I can do as I go along. So here's our resource. Back to it. Add a new chapter. So here's the content of the chapter. So I wish I had my USB on me, which is here somewhere, and I'll just add something genuine. This is me crashing around. I haven't got a mouse, which is all the clicking that you can hear at the moment. So I'm just going to go to my actual program. I think this is the workbook that I've already created, yeah. So I'll just take little bits from that so that we can say, okay, well here are the modules, here's everything that you've done. Let's call it, get straight into it. That's background stuff. Size. Basic anatomy. So we're going to go back to our page here and just going to grab some stuff. Let's see if the images go in as well, shall we? voila, here we are. Let's see what happens. I might have to add the images differently. Okay, so we've got that. Let's see how the images went. They didn't quite work out, did they? So we might need to get rid of that. May take a while. Alright, but we know what we want to do here. We want to get rid of that. It may take a bit of working through, so I won't bother you and annoy you with all of that stuff. We probably want to play around with font. And some of the layout. Oh, that sort of worked. The YouTube links that I organised a bit earlier have come through, and I'm going to save changes. And we'll see if that creates a new chapter, which would be quite exciting if it actually worked. Oh my god, it did. And it looks pretty good. So I might play around with what that looks like at some point. And we've got some recapping and oh, the other stuff went. So that's our dance practice thing. That's our book. Let's have a look and add another resource. So adding another, let's keep with resources. So a file. I'm going to add a file and I'm going to stick with this safe dance practice thing. So let me go back to my own folders and we'll have a look. What shall I do? I did have lots of resources for each of them. It's going to take a little bit of time to find this. Let's say, okay, online resources, safe dance. Oh, let's go warm up and cool down. Oh look, we'll just add that in, perhaps something like that. So we'll go back and I'm going to add a file, upload a file, browse. I'm going to go to back to there again. So I'm looking here and see if I've got there we go. So adding that. So now I know what it was. I'm actually going to say save as safe stretching methods. So we've uploaded a file as well. Hopefully this all works and everyone's very happy. This is going to be a very long file for you, Nellie. Okay, it's taking ages. That means it's going to take a really long time to upload as well. But I think we've got to do it so that we know how to do it properly, and I can demonstrate that I can do it properly. So we're just waiting for the file picker to put it up there, and there it is. We can see it there, and we're going to call this one Safe Stretching too. And this is a PDF article on better stretching for dancers. Better stretching methods, let's say. And then I just go here and I save and return to course. Let us add another activity or resource, and again another resource. I will do a separate video, I think, for other things. Now, a folder simply means that I can put more in a topic, so I can create a folder and I can put the files in that topic, in that folder. So let's have a look at that. So let's have images. Let's have readings. These readings are essential for this course, to complete this course. Display description on course page. Contents, so again I'd need to find my files. I can drop and drag, so we could do that. Or we can go the other way. I don't think I can until I've got lots of windows, and because I've got lots of windows open, so let's go back to where we were before. Grab that one. It does take a while. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we can just keep on adding different things into a folder. Okay, we're getting close to a very, very long thing. Let's add another resource. We've got readings. Okay, we've got labels. We've already created labels. IMS content package is a collection of files packaged according to a agreed standard, so they can be used in different systems. So that means I could share it with someone else that was doing something about. I'm doing a screen video. What? No, I'm talking. Yeah, I am talking to myself. Yeah. Well, my online course still. So that's something when you would be working with a different group of people, and you might need to repurpose the resources within a certain area, if you like. So you might look at safe dance being one, you might look at working with different cohorts of students being another, you might talk about learning literacy and numeracy, and you could save files in those areas too, and just be really specific about those. Labels we've done. Lightbox gallery. View a gallery of images. This allows you to create lightbox. As a course teacher, you are able to create, edit and delete galleries. So let's have a look. We'll see.